show. I'm so excited to be with you today. I have a question. Have you ever asked yourself, how much is what's this plus that? Or why does this do that? All your questions will be answered on my show, Math and Science with Anande. That's me. Today we're going to do experiments from Big Bag of Science! Well, this is the Big Bag of Science, and this has more than 70 activities. Whoa! My dad bought me this so we can conduct some experiments. We're going to make goo, we're going to make colors, and there's even the shaking cup. And we're all going to do it together. I am going to thank the people who made Big Bag of Science for all these tools that we're going to use to make our experiment. Lab assistant, what will be our first experiment? Book, please. Thank you. Use chemistry to make a water bubble, fizz, and change color, and make a tablet disappear. Shall we begin? From the kit, 3 large test tubes with lids. Got it. Test tube wraps. Got it. 2 coloring tablets. We have it. All we have to get is water. Let's see what we can do. Our water. Let's clear all this other stuff off so we can begin. Put your pills in a tray, yellow, red, and blue. Then, prepare your test tubes. First, we fill these tubes with water. We take these tops off of our tubes. Then we add water, not all the way to the top though. So. Remember, we're going to make the water fizz, change color, and make the tablet disappear. First, a blue pill. Notice how it dissolves. And now the red pill. Last but not least, the yellow pill. Watch that dissolve.
So what's happening?
They're fizzing. It looks like pinkish, reddish, purplish blood. It looks like the sea. When I dropped the tablet in there, it started melting and then the water kind of turned blue. Now it looks like blood. And now it looks pink. It looks like a melted candle.
That was an excellent experiment. But question, Did your color tablets just disappear?
No, they just dissolved.
Dissolved? What does that mean?
The water broken into small pieces that you can't see. But you can kind of see it, that's why the colors changed. We made a color solution, and that's how you make one of those.
That yellow one looks like lemonade. I'll have a drink.
No! It's a science project, and this will make you sick and go in a hospital. We don't want that to happen to you. Scientists never eat the experiments.
Well, why does it fizz?
It fizzes because it has a chemical reaction. That is the first experiment from the Big Bag of Science. Thank you, and we'll be back with more experiments on
Math and Science with Anande.
Welcome back to part 2 of our experiment. Now that you see that we made our colors, let's go over what those colors are. As you can see, this is a beautiful blue, and this is a ruby red, and this is a golden yellow that you see here. It actually does look golden. These colors are what we call primary colors. For instance, I'm going to take 2 colors and make a brand new one. Well, I'm going to pick up these 2 colors, and can anyone guess what these 2 colors make? I'll wait. I'm going to hold them up to the light and see our new color. Blue and yellow makes green. Let's try 2 different colors. I'm going to pick up these 2, and can anyone guess what these 2 colors make? Red and yellow makes orange. Now we'll pick up our last 2 colors. This is red and this is blue. Red and blue makes purple. The colors they all make are secondary colors. Can anyone tell me what the secondary colors are? Secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. And remember, the primary colors are blue, red, and yellow. Just in case you forget, here's a color chart to remind you. Join us next time on Math and Science with Anande. Welcome back to Math and Science with Anande. This time we'll be doing the volcano experiment. Without the volcano, of course. We'll be using simple household items. Here we have vinegar, baking soda, and an empty container. We'll be studying chemical reactions. Let's begin. First, we need to put a napkin down. First, we scoop 2 spoons of baking soda. We're going to pour the vinegar in a cup. Let's watch for the chemical reaction. Come closer. Chemical reaction, ladies and gentlemen. And that's our volcano test. I hope you subscribe. Thanks for watching Math and Science with Anande. Math and Science with Anande. So what does this look like to you?
That one look like blue Kool-Aid.
What does that look like?
That one look like red Kool-Aid.
What does the yellow one look like?
That look like the stuff I make after I eat red and blue Kool-Aid. Pee.